Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headlines. So, first of all, will smartphone sales rebound from the 2022 dip? Next, air traffic takeoff. The next on page number 2 in that 2023 preview, G20 meet in India, hydrogen train. Next, on page number 3 in that Petronas Samcrop to Y for Continuum. Next, center waits soup for medtech sector in union budget. Next, bumper quarter 3 for airlines has air traffic fars takeoff. Next, Lakshmi Vilas Bank integration is complete. DBS now looks to grow. Next, CBIC tells VAX official to cover reduced dues from insolvent cause. Next, merger deal climbed to a record $152 billion in India this year. Next, retail money propels Indian stocks despite record FPI outflow in 2022. Then on page number 4 in that economic section, next 40 days key to accessing spread of COVID wave in India. Next, CBIC lets field officer recover lower dues from bankruptcy costs. Next, panel backs MEA budget hikes as India seeks wider global role. Next, exporters line up shipments for Australia. Next, manufacturing push has not yielded results. India rating. Next, global risk persist. This is not time for fiscal consolidation. Next, 9 PPP airports to log 50% growth. Carriage exports. Next, aviation witnessed strong recovery says SC Lands, SC India's. Next, net FPI outflows of rupees 1.2 ton in 2022 was highest ever. Next, UCO Bank to rise up to rupees 18,000 crore by issuing bonds. Next, draft framework to rank cities on fiscal health launched. Next, on page number 5 in that deals tech and startup section in that India sees record M&As in 2022 at $152 billion. Next gen technology disruptor. Next, Sujit Jain appointed as Nika's legal and regulatory head. Next, office real estate rose 49% in 2022. IT services leads revival. Next, Tencent wins major gaming ties as China crackdown softens. Next, Indian fintechs to face tough 2023 has investment cool. Bain reports. Next, Ola sells 1,50,000 e-scooters in 2022 despite backslash. Next, D2C cause find new homes in funding winter. Next, should India adopt an NXNT regulation to rein in big tech? On page number 6 in the mark to market section in that mint short in that China's $1.3 trillion housing crackdown leaves few winters. Next, bond extend losses promoting Bank of Japan to boost purchases. The next, steel stocks will have to prove their metal. Next, rising competition dents uh, gold loan firms appeal for investors. Next, Petronas Simbiroc same corp JSB Neo to Vive for Continuum. Next, emerging market tracker. On page number 7 in the corporate section in that LVB integration complete. DBS now looks for growth. Next, Telco 66GHZ brands to expand services. Next, mobile exports may hit $10 billion in FY23 with PLI support. Next, events Eteris may see BRICS business this New Year Eve. The next on page number 8 in that rare view 2022 section in that how retail money send the market to life highs. Next, in this year ahead, our boat will land in choppy waters. Be disciplined. Next, on page number 9, in the rear view 2022 section, in that a year of dim investment returns. Next, the asset allocation guild quilt. Next, the quilt ranking. What's your best predictor of returns for 2023? Next, on page number 10, in that 250 million COVID vaccine stock build. Next, Kimka evaluated as CEO of Mediacom. Next, Sheila formed to buy Kurlon to for rupees 22,000 crore. Next, CBI custody of Kochars extended. Next, Mukesh Ambani completed 20 years at helm of Reliance. Next, soups for medtech sector likely. Next, bumper quarter 3 for airlines has air traffic and fares take off. Next, room booking sees jump in small towns. Next, pre-owned car market gets new regulation. Next, Kamika elevated as CEO of Medicom. Next, Mukesh Ambani completes 20 year at helm of Reliance. Next, Bharti Airtel considers rising tariffs across India by February. Next, on page number 11, it's the global section. In that, Saudi Aramco refining unit slumps on trading debut, bucking trend. Next, US House Administration arm bans TikTok on official device. Next, US considering COVID entry restrictions for visitors from China. Next, grocery delivery startup Instacart cuts internal valuation or to $10 billion. Next, Hong Kong removes cap on group gatherings. Next, China economy eyes a rebound. Next, ship insurers to cancel war cover for Russia Ukraine from Jan 1. Next, Singapore sentences stock market manipulator to 36 years in jail. Next, rising COVID cases overburden China hospital, funeral homes. Then on page number 12, it's a long story section that mental health firms thrive on misleading ads. On page number 13, it's a mint money section. In that, how NRI visiting India can minimize their expense. Next, mint 20 mutual fund scheme to invest in. Next, where to invest 15,000 per month by SIP for 6 year horizon. Next, all about Neo Bank before opening an account. Next, what are the taxpayer expectations from budget 2023? On page number 14, it's an view section. In that, raise capital formation, never let demand down. Next, mineral incentive growth would need the country to ease mining. Next, high-tech vehicles offer India a path to global success. Then on page number 15, it's a view section. In that, the policymaker who made key choices along our reforms path. Next, it's actually being a great year for big advances in technologies. Next, real-time penalties would help deter traffic pollution. Next, on page number 16, is an business of life and culture section. In that, looking at mutual fund Hussein, the performative artist. Next, why Hirokazu Koreeda bets for younger talent. Next, fight the freeze with winter disease from Tamil Nadu. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.